मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में करीब 26 साल से हूँ और छोटा मोटा रिकग्निशन जो है 22-23 साल से देख रहा हूँ मैं। तो ये सारी बातें जो आपने की है लोग बिना बोले हुए देते हैं।
I never met Neena ji. I'd been a big fan of her work. She's quite an iconic actress, and like you said, she's on a purple.
अब मुझे मांगना नहीं पड़ता है, लोग खुद ही मुझे मेरी जो सैलरी है वो खुद ही बढ़ा के देते हैं। मुझे किसी से ज्यादा कुछ कहना नहीं पड़ता इस बारे में। He doesn't care that much about his son, about the problem of wife, about the day-to-day workings of the family. He doesn't care that much. But he gets that one night where he has to prove himself as a father and as a husband.
Manoj bhai and Renzel, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you. Pleasure.
All right, so Renzel, when you must have started the film, did you have any idea that by the time this film is going to be releasing, Manoj Bajpayee would have become a superstar? People will be waiting for Manoj Bajpayee ki film.
My first film that I ever wrote when I entered this industry, Aks, was with two superstars, Amit ji and Manoj Bajpayee. So he's always been superstar for me. Now the big thing is, will he agree to the script?
Manoj bhai, will you agree to a script now?
I mean, I agreed with the script. That's how, I've been part of two of his projects. One, where he's written Aks, and now Dial 100. I mean, you have to see it. I mean, people only know that, just by trailer that, it's a thriller, and Neena Gupta is so menacing, and Sakshi Tanwar is kidnapped, all of that. And it's an edge of the seat thriller, but there is more to it. It's a very, very emotional film. It will completely, shock people by the time it gets over.
Okay, Manoj bhai, हम लोग जो रेंजल ने एक बात कही है उसी पे हम थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ेंगे
जी।
अब ये फैमिली मैन के बाद में इतना ज्यादा आपको लेके हाइप हो चुका है, आपके पुराने काम लोग रिविजिट कर रहे हैं, they are watching it again and again, and there's so much of curiosity around you. ये कहा जा रहा है कि मनोज बाजपेयी is charging a huge amount of money for his future projects, which we will not go. अच्छी बात नहीं होती है पैसे को डिस्कस करना, but still वो एक कश्मकश होती है कि पता नहीं अभी मनोज बाजपेयी हो चुके हैं और पता नहीं वो हमारी स्क्रिप्ट को अग्री करें नहीं करें, और शायद उसमें कोई उनकी कंडीशंस हों कि जहाँ शूटिंग हो रही होगी वहां पर वैनिटी वैन में मुझे इस तरीके का पानी और ये चाहिए। तो ये सब जो एक्सपेक्टेशन लोगों की हो गई है एकदम से आपको लेकर, और स्पेकुलेशन जो हो गया है, उससे आप कैसे डील कर रहे हैं?
This is very naive, because मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में करीब 26 साल से हूँ और छोटा मोटा रिकग्निशन जो है 22-23 साल से देख रहा हूँ मैं। तो ये सारी बातें जो आपने की है लोग बिना बोले हुए देते हैं। ये सारी सुविधाएं मुझे कई सालों से मिल रही है, 2 decades से। So there is nothing new about it. As for charging money and everything is very embarrassing. But अब मुझे मांगना नहीं पड़ता है, लोग खुद ही मुझे मेरी जो सैलरी है वो खुद ही बढ़ा के देते हैं। मुझे किसी से ज्यादा कुछ कहना नहीं पड़ता इस बारे में।
Alright, so Renzel, जब अक्स आपने करी थी मनोज भाई के साथ में, और इस वक्त जब हम देख रहे हैं तो आपको कुछ इनके फिजिकल अपीयरेंस में कुछ डिफरेंस लग रहा है, या मे बी ही इज लुकिंग यंगर नाउ?
Yeah, I mean, this is the Benjamin Button syndrome, so he was when he was in us. And also he's as you can see, he's got very fit and chiseled. I don't know, I keep asking him about his diet and he tells me it's quite a tough diet, but actually he looks not a day older, maybe a day younger than he did us.
Oh, thank you.
मनोज भाई आज इसका आप सीक्रेट बता ही दीजिए, बिकॉज आपने पिछले इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि समांथा was super fit और अब मुझे कुछ मेहनत करनी पड़ी, और समांथा का कहना ये है कि that you were the inspiration for her.
Samantha has her own way of getting out of it. No, I mean, आप फरदुल आप हमेशा पूछते रहते हो, लेकिन यह जाहिर सी बात है कि as you get older, you stick to a discipline. पहले ये था कि हम काफी यंग थे तो पार्टियां कुछ ज्यादा होती थी, अड्डेबाजी थोड़ी ज्यादा होती थी, लेट नाइट भी हो जाते थे हमसे, लेकिन अब जो मनाता था खाते थे, जो मनाता था पीते थे. अब नाउ since many years actually my life is very limited. It's only limited to work and my family and nothing else. Yes, my family, my Shabana, my wife, she's very particular about what we eat and how we eat and how much we eat. All of that is only because of that. But yes, having said that, I also must say that my morning starts at 4:30 in the morning, and with yoga and meditation and then gymming, cardio, all of that. Yeah, बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. कौन कहता है कि जवानी में सिर्फ मेहनत करनी पड़ती है? अभी भी बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
That's fantastic. All right, so मतलब ये promo Dial 100 का बहुत interesting है. I think जो एक कश्मकश है आपके और नीना जी के बीच.
जी, ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा लोगों ने बनाया. Thanks to the guys and also Renzil, who kind of monitored the entire thing, the all creative aspect of it. But there is more to it. It's not simply a thriller about a woman who is kind of out to shock people or shock this guy Nikhil Sood, who works in an emergency call center. But there is more to it, much more to it, that you are going to see on the fifth night, or you say sixth. This is emotional roller coaster for this protagonist, Nikhil Sood. It's that one night that he has to prove himself as a father and as a son. This guy belongs to a middle class family, and he is very ignorant and quite careless about how he deals with his family. He doesn't care that much about his son, about the problem of wife, about the day-to-day workings of the family. He doesn't care that much. But he gets that one night where he has to prove himself as a father and as a husband.
All right, so Renzil, obviously Manoj Bhai is a huge factor as far as Dial 100 is concerned, but I think Neena ji is in a very interesting space right now as an actor. I think she's really enjoying herself. She's always been someone who likes to experiment, and I read her autobiography recently, and the struggle that she has gone through is phenomenal. But I think she has hit a purple patch right now, and she looks very interesting in the film. So tell us something about what Neena Gupta brings to the table.
I knew Manoj and Sakshi. I had worked with in 24 season 2. I directed her, but I never met Neena ji. I'd been a big fan of her work. She's quite an iconic actress, and like you said, she's on a purple path. When we did this role, I remember Manoj, me, and Sid. We sat down, and we knew that this is the linchpin. This character has to be portrayed right, because there are many shades to her. Maybe you won't see all of it in that trailer, but you will find your moral compass changing with her, and beyond a point you will love her, hate her, empathize with her. This is a very strange thing to happen in one film with one character. Normally you fix your emotion on that one character and you carry through the film. So we needed an actor like Neena ji. I think the first time the script or the idea went to her, she was not very keen because she had not read the script. I think it was explained to her in a kind of, shorthand, one line or something. And then we said, please read, ma'am, because we really felt even Manoj and Sid, we really felt that she would add a great deal to this role. And it's anti-casting, because if you see Faridun, the last two films that she's done, Badai and Sardar Ka Grandson, they're in another space. And when you do anti-casting, you have to really believe in that actor to pull off something they have never done before, because the shock to the audience. But before that, as a director, it might be a shock to you, good or bad, on the floor. I was very sure that she would do it, and I'm very lucky and blessed that she did the role.
Right, Manoj, how was your experience of collaborating with Neena ji? Because आपसे बहुत बार हमारी पहले भी बात हुई है कि जो आपके को एक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ में तालमेल होना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली इट्स अ कोलैबोरेशन that people respond to in many ways, and you're someone who's known to make your co-actors as comfortable as possible. I saw on Twitter you wished her on her birthday, and there's a even for her book as well. Personally, when I'm seeing, in a way, there is an eerie feel to her. There's a villainous feel to her. Obviously, she has a backstory and the reason why she's doing what she's doing. It's experience of collaborating with Neena Gupta.
Okay, so I'm a big fan of her. Not only as an actor of what she has achieved and what she has proved over the years, also how she conducted herself over the years, as a woman. So both Shabana, my wife, and me, are a huge fan of her. And we always enjoy all the Instagram posts that she keeps sending, which is so remarkable. It's kind of a joy de vivre that you see in her. There's so much to learn from. Has been leading her life as an individual, as a woman. So she's always been very, quite an inspiration for me and my family. I look forward to meeting her, because this is that unique film where all the characters meet, only once in the film, and that too, towards the end. Before that, I'm only responding to her dialogues, which is coming from the other side. So once she was there on the set when she was required to do it, and the other time she was not required to be there, so she wasn't there, and Renzel or somebody else was giving me the cue. So I was looking forward to that one night when I was going to meet her, and we had a good chat about so many things. We rehearsed and we done improvised. We put in all our best of our opinions on the table, and so it was a very collaborative shooting that night, and it was a difficult night for all of us. So all of us were quite immersed and involved in whatever was happening there. It was a crucial scene, and we needed to pull it off. Including the director, all of us are very nervous as to how we are going to really do that sequence. And Neena ji was all there. She was really up on her toes whenever she was required to do the shot, and in the manner she was jumping and doing her part was so remarkable. Yes, so ज्यादा तो नहीं, मैं थोड़े एक दिन 2 दिन के लिए मिलना हुआ, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलकर.